There's Diet Coke. I'm just gonna get the water. There. All the waters are. This. I'm just gonna put it up here. I'm trying to help. Oof. The Diet Coke. There. This one, I'll just put all the way. I almost broke it because last time I don't know what happened. So just put it all the way in there. I'm gonna get this one. That one's too far to reach. Oh my god, it's filled with Diet Coke. It's filled. Oh, snap. Uh-oh. I guess I'll just leave it. I need to put it all the way back. Not in the front. Because then I'll lose something. This is a fun day. Oh. Finally. Get to put some more Coke in there. And if it's all the Coke, then that'll be good. I'm just gonna get it with this. I'm just gonna get it. Where's root beer? Okay, soda. No, not right now.
Can I have soda?
No, I'm trying to put all these in, so please.
I don't want soda.
Go ask Rocket. Go ask. Guys, there's customers, so I'm not gonna show you. I'm not gonna show you where I'm putting the sauce. So sorry.
I want soda. Can I have soda, Walton?
You're closing the fridge. Stop. Don't draw there. Block it. Eggie's drawing. Eggie's drawing over here. This is waters. Sorry, the customer's gone. I couldn't show you. Oh god, that's insane. It's like doing that. It makes me cold. I'm gonna get it real quick. See? Oh, the bricks. Awesome. Put it there. Last one. I'm done. Time to close it. Thank you guys. So I just wanted to show you where else I'm putting sodas. In here. So,